Hi there, it's Andy from Brown Dog Gadgets. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at our Day 2, Week 2 circuit. That's our stoplight circuit. In order to correctly assemble it, we're going to need to gather the following parts: 2 LEDs, 1 slide switch, 1 battery holder, and a coin cell battery. As with all of our circuits, we're also going to need to create some pathways laid down on our green Lego base plate with conductive maker tape. When correctly assembled, they should look like this. With those pathways assembled, the components you gathered before should fit nicely within the gaps to look like this. It's important to note and make sure that the pathway leaving the battery at the white stripe enters the LEDs at their white stripes. The orientation of the switch in this case doesn't matter in order for your circuit to work correctly. Speaking of working, what your circuit should do when you operate the switch is simply turn one light on while the other remains off. That's it for today. For a more detailed look at our curriculum, check out browndoggadgets.com.